We should remove our construction line here, but if we remove this circle, also our text will change its position because those two are linked together. What I can do is revert the text to path, and I can do this doing path object to path. And now I can remove my circle. It is also important to convert the text when you send the file to another machine, because maybe the other machine doesn't have the same fonts that you used installed. So no matter if you put the text on a path, but you should always convert your text to another path in order to avoid fonts problems. Of course, when you do this operation, then again you cannot modify your text. To send the file to the laser cutter, we have to do some other things. There is a way to check if our design is made properly, which is showing just the path without any kind of style. So we just go to View, Display Mode, Outline. And you see now that here I only see some black lines with no style at all that gave me information just about the path without any color or any filter applied to this. And now anyway I'm sure that my design is ready to be set up for the laser. So I can do once again display mode, go back to normal. Every laser cutter works with colors, so every color tells to the machine what the machine has to do. There is a color to cut out, there is a color to engrave images, there is a color to do vector engraving. So now I am going to change the colors for my laser cutter. Then of course every system will be different. For my laser cutter, the cut lines should be blue RGB. So I select everything that it's red. So no fill at all. Stroke paint, I should put blue 255, so this is the value for the RGB blue. And of course I forgot something, so I go again, those two small parts here, once again 0 255. Then I have those two lines that should help me to fold this part. It will be a vector line made by the laser but not passing from part to part. I choose another color, and in my case this will be red. So RGB red. And now I have my logo and my text. So I want to give to these two different styles. So for this one, fill and stroke, I choose no fill at all, but I apply some stroke. So another color, because I want another intensity for my vector engraving. I have just this image, which is okay to leave black, because I will do this with another way of engraving, which we call raster engraving, which is good for images. So now my file is ready for the laser cutter. I can export it, and it's just File, Save As. The best format to export is Inkscape SVG. No other options to select. As you can see, Inkscape saves in a lot of formats. Some of them are quite standard, like for example DXF or EPS file, but they have some limitation from time to time when you export in this kind of format, so it's better to always choose Inkscape SVG. Then save, and that's it, we have done. So we just seen how to create a simple project using just the basic tools of this software. As an open source software, Inkscape has a lot of documentation and guides that you can easily find online and improve your knowledge of this software easily. If you have any comment or ideas that you want to share, just do it on the Jobs of the Future channel, the website and Instagram.